Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how we can make chicken fry step by step. Begin by gathering chicken pieces, spices, flour, oil, and a thermometer. Trim excess fat and pat the pieces dry for better coating adhesion. Mix a bold marinade with salt, pepper, garlic, and a touch of acid, then let the poultry rest. While marinating, set up your workspace, preheat oil to the right temperature, and prepare a draining tray. Start by seasoning a marinade that balances salt, spice, and acidity, then coat the chicken evenly and allow flavors to penetrate. For crispy results, double coat with flour, egg wash, and seasoned flour, or use a wet batter for a thicker crust. Let pieces rest briefly so the coating adheres before frying. Keep everything organized on trays and label parts so you fry consistently sized pieces at the same time. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup a breeze after frying, and it even responds to voice control for hands-free tidying. It keeps floors spotless so you can focus on cooking instead of sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to the proper frying temperature and test with a small piece to ensure sizzle and steady bubbles. Add chicken pieces carefully and turn only when the crust is golden to avoid breaking the coating. Use a thermometer to confirm internal doneness and avoid undercooking. Once cooked, transfer to a rack over a sheet for draining and sprinkle finishing salt and herbs while hot to lock in flavor and crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.